What is up guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video we're gonna learn how you can use the product element. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So to add the product element, you have to go to the element section, and in the collection tab you have your product element here. Let's drag it down to the main page. Okay, it's processing, so let's just wait. Okay, there you go, there you have your product. So according to me, the product element is the most important element in your whole element section, because these are just your products. Okay, initially that's how it looks like. So let's just play with some settings. On the right side you have your content here. So starting with some settings, we have your images here, and starting with the aspect ratio, it's 3 to 4 now, but I will change it to 16 to 9 because I prefer this. You can always check and uncheck to show the second image on hover, which basically means this. And you can show badges, which are these, and you can also change the style of your text just like this. And at last you can change the badge position also. I will keep it as it is because it looks perfect. Below that you can change your text, you can customize it according to your own preference, and below that you have your presets. Let's just dive into more details here. You can edit the parent elements, and let's go to that. You have your products here. You can choose whether you want the grid layout or the list, and let me show you what list looks like. So this is what list look like. I will choose the grid because it looks perfect to me, and you can change maximum products per pages, which is 12 right now. You can change it according to your convenience, and below that is product card. You can add more options other than title and price, which is completely up to you. And below that you have grid settings. You can change items per row, column gap, row gap, whatever you like. Below that you have paginations, which basically are these things, and below that again you have your text, which you can change according to your convenience. And at last you have your presets. And if you go to the style section, you have some basic settings which I have already shown in previous tutorials. You can change background, box shadows, borders, border radius, padding, and etc. And you have your advanced settings here, which you can play with margins, paddings, and width. You can enable stickies, position. You can play with background, borders, responses, and attributes. So that's it for today. That's how you can add product element into your main page. And make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Until then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.